How to present a winning offer in a competitive market. The real estate market is super challenging still. We're still seeing it as a seller's market, meaning there isn't enough inventory to meet the demand of buyers. So here's a couple of tips that you can use when presenting a winning offer if you are in a multiple offer situation. Number one, always go in at full price or above. Even if the house has been on the market for, let's say, 3 or 4 days and you're thinking that somebody else probably came in lower than asking, chances are they're not. We're still seeing about a 99.5% of list to sell, meaning the only reason why the sales price would come down is if the property didn't appraise. But most of the time in our market right now, we're seeing 100% of list to sell price, meaning whatever it was listed at, it's going to sell for the list price or even higher if it was in a multiple offer situation. Again, depending upon the appraisal. First thing you can do to get a winning offer is provide a pre-approval letter with your offer. Sounds like a no-brainer. You should have already been pre-approved. If you've been looking for any amount of time, just make sure you have an updated pre-approval letter to present with your offer. Number two, there's things that are also attractive to sellers that might not just be the list price. So listing price is always super important, or your offer price is super important, but also some concessions that you're going to waive and to make the seller be more at ease. Number one thing, you can say, we're going to inspect the property as per paragraph 16B of the contract, but we are not going to ask the seller to make any repairs. We're going to do it for information purposes so we know what we're getting into. That being said, you can always still terminate the contract if something frightens you on that inspection report. The third thing that you can do when you're presenting a winning offer is you want to make sure you incentivize the seller. So let's say you want to offer the full asking price on the house, and in order to get them to pick your offer, you say, I will go X number of dollars above the list price if the seller accepts our offer before noon tomorrow, and give them a cutoff date, which means you'll go above the asking price if they accept your offer, which then keeps it from going into more offers coming in, and then you getting bumped because of the delay in the seller accepting their offer. Sometimes they want to hold offers until Sunday at 5 p.m. and you're like, no, I want an answer tonight. I will give you an extra $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 if you accept my offer by 9 o'clock tonight. So that's my strategy that I use for many buyers. Make sure if you're working with a realtor that you have a strategy to go in and get your dream home and submit a winning offer.